To understand what kind of company Morgan is, just look at the picture of the owner. This face doesn't care about anything in the world. Mr. Morgan ruled his company for 50 years, and all this time that company exists, it lived in their own separate world. It didn't spend billions of dollars on marketing, on branding, and improving their technology. And some magical way, company still brings profit, sells cars, and everything is very stable. Morgan is very popular in the UK, and Richard Hammond has 3 of them. One of them is Morgan Aero Plus 8 with the BMW 4.8-liter V8 engine that generated 362 brake horsepower and could reach 0 to 100 kilometers in 4.1 seconds. Top Gear always were advertising this car, but even with all that effort, the brand is not popular worldwide. I worked in auto industry in Dubai, and I started selling used Range Rovers, Jaguars, BMWs, and Mercedes. Then I changed showrooms and started selling more expensive cars, luxury cars, exotic cars, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and stuff like that. But in my life, I only sold 2 Morgans. One of them was my client's, and it was Morgan Aero 8. And the second one I saw here in Uzbekistan in Auto Reset showroom. I am more than confident that this Morgan is one of the rarest one. Morgan 4x4 with this mileage, this year I think only 2 or 3 left in the world. They changed production of the car, but not so radically. Till today they use wood in their structure and leaf springs at the back. Now they use aluminum, not normal steel. I heard that you must take care of the wood all the time, and once a year just spray it with the chemicals so it will be in good condition and serve you as long as possible. Design of 4x4 didn't change since 1954. For that, Morgan has loyal fans. The car tries to be modern. The year of this particular Morgan is 2004, and the mileage is 700 original kilometers, that's it. And it costs $150,000. Here we have climate control, CD changer, and basically that's it. Disadvantages of interior is that it's very cramped. It's almost impossible to get in and get out of the vehicle. And pedals are too close to each other, so your leg can be jammed when you change the gears. But the quality of materials are way better than in any Rolls-Royce. Very rare and wonderful leather of unicorn here. It's so nice to touch. I never felt so good. And you can feel British craftsmanship here. Also, you have front window heating, and at the back we have just cellophane window. Everything in the interior is made with solid quality. I did not expect this approach from such a small company. Morgan 4x4 has Ford Z-Tech motor, 1.6 liter, that generates 110 brake horsepower. Together with 5-speed manual gearbox, 0 to 100 kilometers time is 9 seconds. And the weight of the car is 877 kilograms, so car is pretty nimble. The look of the car is magnificent. Look at these wheels. They just attract eyes and glances when you just drive by. And I love the British racing green. I'm very happy that I saw this car, I touched it, I sat in it, and it's a very rare car. Now Morgan jumps into the future. It has BMW's 3-liter engine, and they make all aluminum chassis, and they use much less wood than they used before. But I'm very happy that still such cars exist, and with all the futuristic stuff and crazy stuff that's happening right now, Morgan gives you warmth and stability in your heart. Don't forget to do some charity, help local orphanage, because when you do good things will happen to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.